off.
Hey, what's up everybody? Before we jump into this video today, I did want to come out and say thank you guys very much for supporting me and the channel. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. I am hoping to get some more interesting content out here, a little bit more my style kind of thing. I would say I've been holding back on you guys a little bit here on the channel, but I'm hoping to work on that. I'm working on a couple other things, like repeating myself as well. Got to record things like 2 or 3 times. I'm sorry, I'm working on it. But let's go ahead and jump into this Ranger video. One of the last ones, hopefully, because even I'm getting burnt out on it. But yeah, let's jump into this video today. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Austin, and today we have some Ranger keys. And it is kind of early in the morning. I don't know if you can see the little bags under my eyes, but we are going to take the Ranger for its first drive after doing all this work to it. So let's go ahead and jump in the truck and let's go ahead and bring it into town. I think we're gonna stop by Firestone and get a little bit of work done to it. Nothing too extravagant, but I think an alignment and maybe an oil change would be really nice for this truck. So let's go ahead and jump in and start her up. Alrighty, so now that we're in the truck, let's see if I can crank the steering wheel over. Alrighty. First try, please. Oh, man, I love it. I love it so much. Let me turn that radio down a little bit. Alrighty. Right into gear. Hey. This truck. And we do have that front drive shaft in, so I will be listening for any kind of clicking. Now, I don't think we'll have any kind of clicking because I made sure that thing was mint. Let me go ahead and push that real quick for you. And we will track to see how many miles we put on the truck today. She's up to speed. Nice. So it looks like the truck is doing really good. Granted, we are probably like a minute or 2 out of the driveway, so nothing too extravagant so far. It got up to speed really nicely. Now let's go ahead and slow down because we do have a stop sign coming up. And just like that, nice. Brakes are doing great as well. So we got some good stuff going for the truck so far. It's able to get up to speed. It's able to stop. And it's shifting really nicely right now. So those really good signs. Now we just got to get on the highway. That I think we'll be able to do. It's not really a task in this truck, but again, it's a small truck. It ain't a V8. It ain't a turboed V6. It's just your plain old V6. So let's go ahead and jump on the highway. Give her some gas. Watch her go fast. Alrighty, up to speed, perfect. Let's go ahead and merge in. Alrighty. She can keep up with the other kids. She ain't slow yet. So let's go ahead, get into town, and let's get her all fixed up. We got about 10 miles on it already, so it's doing really good. Coolant temps look great. Oil pressure looks great. Battery voltage has been doing good. We've been cruising about 70, 75, and that's around the speed limit. So I'm going to go ahead and get off the highway here. So just a quick update for y'all. We are still doing really good on all the gauges. Look at that. That makes me happy. That makes me happy very much. Now, we are going to head over to Firestone. We're going to get this thing dropped off, and hopefully they will get the oil change and an alignment done for us. This truck deserves it. She's been sitting for a while, and I'd like to see if anything's changed, because I believe the last time we got it aligned was not too many miles ago, but it's had a transplant, it's had a heart transplant in it, so we'll definitely have to see. So you guys have a reference before we bring it to Firestone. It does want to pull off to the right a little bit. Now that might be just because of how the road is capped, but I believe that it is honestly probably a little off kilter because it has been sitting for a little while, but it is trying to pull over to the right. Hopefully once we get the truck aligned, it won't pull to the right anymore, but there's no guarantee, especially with alignments in Oklahoma. We have potholes. Our roads are never flat unless it's the first month or two of being paved, but hey, what are you gonna do, right? Alrighty, so here we go. We're pulling into Firestone now. I'm gonna go around to the front of the store just so I can get straight into the front door and talk to those people inside. But there we go. Firestone Complete Auto Care. Perfect, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and back in right here actually. And let's go ahead and put that in reverse. Alrighty. And this thing is driving like a dream. Alrighty. So we do have 20.2 miles on there, and it's been doing really, really good. The air conditioning is nice and cool, especially since it's supposed to be 90 degrees out here today. So we're going to go ahead and let Firestone take care of her. We're going to let them take care of the oil change as well as the alignment. I know there's those DIY people that are able to do alignments in their garage, but not me. I can't do it. So let's go ahead and let Firestone take care of it, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, so about 5 hours later here at Firestone, we got the truck all aligned and an oil change done on it. She could probably use another bath again, but that's the benefit of living on a dirt road. So it did cost me $44.65. That's pretty cheap, honestly, for an oil change. Now, I will say that we do have our before and after measurements, and it looks like it wasn't that bad. We do have a little bit of a fix there. Perfect. So let's go ahead and jump in the truck, and let's go ahead and head home. Alrighty, so we're in the Ranger. We are headed back home, and so far we're doing pretty good. Everything's looking good to go. The alignment is doing great. It's doing great on the alignment. This is awesome. This truck has come a long, long, long way, and I'm super excited at where it's at now. So let's go ahead and jump on the highway real quick. And okay, so the Ranger is doing great. We are headed back out of town to go back home, and she is doing amazing. Amazing. Man, you are doing a good job. Yes, you are. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this, I think it's like 10 miles out of the way. I mean, this has been a good little test drive to get it in town, get the alignment done, and it's doing a lot better. Look at this. Look at this. It's almost driving itself now. It's almost driving itself now. Look at that. It's not a Tesla. Okay, so let me put my hand back on the steering wheel and let's get home. Alrighty, so we're back home, and man, this truck is running and driving great. Absolutely amazed with what I did just to get it back to where it's at now. It took quite a bit, to be completely honest with you. A lot of hard work, a lot of late nights, and small little meticulous things here and there. Now with the oil change and the alignment done, that is great. So the next owner of this truck will have a nice fresh alignment and a nice fresh oil change. Do have a couple stickers I need to remove off the truck. A couple more stickers, and it will need a little bit of a bath as well. Another one, just a quick little refresh on the bath. Don't worry, I promise you we're not going to do that one as a video too, so I promise. We still need to address this right here. I think we talked about it, and I know somebody in the comment section also said, you know, probably polishing that out would probably work. So I think that's what we're going to do. We'll probably do that off camera as well, but we do need to get the push guard put back on the front of the truck as well. But man, she is a good little truck. So with everything said and done, it was a great little drive to have with this truck. I'm so happy to have it back on the road, and relieved now as well. So I hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.